This is me. And this is by Vinay Mehter. Might have.
Part of our groups that we are a part of, and we've seen a lot of it.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Say hi to your own vlog. Hi.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू येट अनदर व्लॉग ऑन ट्रैवल विद प्राजू। आज काफ़ी ऑफ बीट वाला डेस्टिनेशन है। हम लोग आए हैं नेरुल में, नेरुल जिमखाना में। एंड आज थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट मेरा यहाँ पे आने का पर्पस थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि एज यू गाइस नो विनायक इज़ अ फोटोग्राफर, ही इज़ अ फुल टाइम प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर एंड फ्यू ऑफ हिज फोटोग्राफ्स हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड टू बी एग्जिबिटेड इन दिस एग्जीबिशन। सो हम वही विटनेस करने आए हैं। ही हैज़ अ शूट टुडे, बीइंग दिसंबर मंथ ही इज़ क्वाइट बिजी। सो आई थॉट हम आ जाते हैं यहाँ पे एंड हम एक्सपीरियंस कर लेते हैं कि कैसा सिनेरियो है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे क्या क्या है। काफ़ी अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज किया हुआ है ऐसा हमने सुना। सो लेट्स गो।
जो कार्ड है तो आर्ट एग्जीबिशन बैंड जाके परफॉर्म करते हैं। और ये सब स्टॉल लाइन
सुचित्रा प्राजक्ता।
पीछे एक बड़ा स्टेज लगा है, ऑडिटोरियम है। ओके, फिर दो साइड है, 11:30 से रात 10 बजे। तो स्टॉल से चालू है बैंड और
ट्रैवल विद प्राजू।
बैंड्स आएंगे,
Me.
रोटेशनल बैंड।
What's your name?
Joshua.
वो अभी भी
Okay,
चालू है।
nice to meet you.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you. So we just got the bands. It's 100 rupees per person entry fee. अगर जिमखाना members हो तो I think it's free. Nerul Gymkhana this is. Let's go. My sister is accompanying me today. Meet Suchitra. US return. आपण बरोबर चाललोय का? Are you sure? Okay. Okay. So क्रिकेट भी चल रहा है साइड में। So ये नेरुल जिमखाना के अंदर है। हम नॉट श्योर हम करेक्ट जा रहे हैं कि नहीं जा रहे। We're trying to find a way. I see Colors United Winter Festival लिखा हुआ उधर, and that is where we are going right now.
तू कभी कुछ गलत किया है जिंदगी में?
गलत बहुत ज़्यादा।
नहीं बोलना था भाई। चालू है वो।
So think these are the stalls. So हम काफ़ी जल्दी आए। आई फील ये 11 बजे चालू हो जाता है एंड राइट नाउ इट्स 12:43। हम जल्दी इसलिए भी आए क्योंकि सुबह हो जाएगा तो कवर हो जाएगा, हो सकता है लाइट में, डे लाइट में, प्लस भीड़ नहीं मिलेगी। शाम को काफ़ी ज़्यादा भीड़ हो जाएगी।
या हम लोग बहुत लेट आ गए।
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक इट्स लेट, इट्स टू अर्ली।
सब लोग
पीपल, हाँ, पीपल हैवंट सेट देयर स्टॉल्स येट और शायद कल रात लेट तक था।
हाँ,
हाँ,
that's true.
so it's 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. so it's quite late. There are multiple stalls. Nice. I see some people. I spot some people. Hi.
So cute.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
अच्छा तो है भाई।
Yeah,
Oh,
very
wow,
nice.
क्या है ये? मैं तो देखूं।
Okay. Hi.
Are these stickers? Yes. Oh, you're good. You're good. Don't worry.
What does this say?
It says touch grass.
Okay.
That's my version of touching grass. Just you touch grass.
Okay.
I cannot just go out and just touch it. I have to be in it. Demonetize ना हो जाए तेरा video.
नहीं होगा.
Yeah, it's handmade.
Wow.
Everything is hand painted. Is that supposed to be a coaster? Yeah, it's a coaster.
Oh, nice.
And these are earrings. Are you guys content creators?
Yeah. For YouTube.
Would like to YouTube.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Do let us know our channel ka naam and we will
Yeah, we will definitely.
share your videos.
Yes, it's Travel with Praju.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
I have one more.
Soul Soup is your Insta handle.
Yeah. And mine is Ranka. We both
Yours
are
is-
like
Okay.
doing it together.
Okay.
You guys
Are those candles you made?
Yeah.
You are insane.
Smell it. They're all handmade.
Wow.
Smell like food.
This looks like something I would just eat.
I also have strawberry latte.
Oh God.
Like a proper
Wow. You are insane. I'm sorry, I'm loud.
No, we really need this right now. Lift our spirit. As
You can be here for 10 more minutes.
No, but this is really nice, man. This is insane.
Yeah, it is.
I'm from Ranka and we are into hand painted products, wall mural and workshops. We conduct these workshops across Bombay. Do join our workshop and follow our page. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Nice.
कहाँ पे है अभी ये?
Let's first do what we have come here for. Now we have come here for the what is this exhibition of pictures. So I think all the photographers have this opportunity where I think one of these exhibitions you can enter your pictures. Then जब अगर वो select हो जाते हैं तो कुछ pictures whatever they select they'll be exhibited here. So you get that opportunity, and when I got that, one of our closest friends, Vedant, also has got that opportunity. So I have two my Anmol Ratans here, jinka arts have been exhibited, and it's a great I think achievement for them. क्योंकि वो select होना भी I think is a kind of a क्या बोलते हैं luck, and is a great work also. So let's see them. काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्टॉल्स है. आई थिंक इवनिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा ही लाइव होने वाला है ये. क्या यू डू थ्रू आउट स्टॉल्स ही स्टॉल्स है यार यहाँ पे. या आई थिंक सो. So this exhibition is organized by Vibgyor. This is called Colors United Winter Festival 2024. There is some workshop going on, I feel. Okay, there. That's it. This is wooden.
So different. Hi.
Hi. So they're just trying to solve the puzzle. And finally, these are all the images. We spot the first one. This is Vedant. Nice. Okay. Oh, this is another by Vedant. And ये सिर्फ exhibition में नहीं है. You can buy them. You can actually buy them. There is a price written on it.
I love the colors.
Yeah.
So cool.
It's balanced. Okay. Wow, look at this. And this is by Vedant again. This is from Kerala. Kerala Theyyam Festival. Again this. This is from Kerala. And this is me. This is me. And this is by Vinayak Maker. This is from Kandil Galli. अगर वो व्लॉग देखा नहीं है कंदिल गली का तो प्लीज़ जाओ देखो. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम कंदिल गली. दिस इज़ अनदर वन फ्रॉम विनायक. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम गुड़ी पाड़वा 2024. नाइस राइट. दे आर दीज टू. These are again from Vinayak Maker. These are from famous Mumbai's Visarjan Sohla. This is from Anant Chaturdashi. Again Visarjan thing.
I love the editing on this one, yaar.
No?
What colors? I wish I knew more to say more.
Exactly. We're not somebody who can. क्या बोलते हैं?
बस editing में मुझे
हाँ.
brightness कम ज़्यादा करना है. That's me editing.
This one was also by Vedant, I guess. There is no tag. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. So this is also by Vedant, but the tag is not there. But I'm going to confirm it and I'm going to tell you whether it's by Vedant or not. This is by Vedant. I know this picture. This is Lal Bagh Ka Raja. Wow यार, look at this. इसका भी tag चला गया है. So it might have been really windy. Wow, look at this. इसका भी tag नहीं है यार. It might have been really windy at night maybe. अभी भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हवा है तो इसके लिए शायद tags उड़ गए. So I was telling you guys, this is by Vedant. This is the proof. This is his Insta handle, Nusta Khachak.
That's so smart.
Yeah? We'll tell them to get this tagged again. So the artists apparently are not here today because they've been busy. इसलिए हम लोग आए हैं to witness this beauty. God. Might have
part of
yeah.
our groups that we are a part of, and so I've seen a lot of this.
Yeah?
picture,
Thank you.
Very pretty. Very
Thank you.
pretty,
Thank you
yeah.
so much. What's your name?
My name is Parvati. I have a couple of my pictures also.
Yeah.
displayed.
Wow.
That's mine.
This is from where?
This is from Maldives.
Maldives.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
This is beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you. And
Wow.
I have one more, a couple of them more here. This is one more I have here.
Okay.
This is Switzerland.
Wow.
By the Montreux Lake.
Wow.
And this is Oslo University. This
Oh
is
my God. You've been traveling so much.
Actually, I travel.
Uh-huh.
I travel and I love photography, so it's
Okay.
a perfect combination for me.
Wow.
Yeah. So when we had to do this, no, I didn't have much time, so I just picked up a few
Okay.
which I really like and put it in.
Wow. This is like a painting.
Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah. These are the photographs displayed by the members of that group.
Okay.
Yeah, and organizer is called Indranil Mukherjee.
Okay.
We call him Ian Sir.
Okay.
And these are, so we are all a part of that group. And
This is
these are-
so you are the part of the organizers
yeah,
as well.
he started this IG Vibgyor. It's
Right.
on Instagram as IG Vibgyor.
Yeah, I
And
know.
We have
Yeah.
it also WhatsApp also, and so we
Okay.
are a part of the group. And he organizes these photo walks.
Okay.
A lot of them. he
Okay.
does.
I think my husband told me this.
Yeah. Last year he did quite a lot of Durga Puja and all.
Nice,
Beautiful.
yeah.
You are looking amazing.
Thank
I have
you.
kaun sa model? Everybody's
Oh
talking
God.
about it. Kaun sa model?
नहीं यार.
So you do modeling or something?
No, I don't.
Exactly.
I work as an IT profession.
Ah.
Yeah. I stay there.
Taken up modeling though.
No.
She should have. Opinion. She should have. Yeah.
I do vlogging as a part-time thing for YouTube.
Okay.
That's also my husband's
Acha.
vision that I'm doing.
Okay.
He's not today here.
Uh-huh.
He has a shoot, so he
Oh,
went out.
okay.
That's why I came in.
Oh, nice. So yesterday you were not there? I mean,
No,
yesterday you
I
didn't come?
couldn't.
Okay.
I couldn't. I
I was
had.
there yesterday too, but
Okay.
yesterday our IM sir was there.
Oh.
He's coming later in the evening. Yes, some
Right.
other,
Evening में it would be lively, I think ना यहाँ पे.
Sorry?
Evening में it would be
बहुत
lively.
या बोल रहे क्योंकि कल मैं पूरा दिन थी एंड बाय द टाइम आई लेफ्ट इट वाज लाइक शाम ऑल द वे टू मलाड तो 6 बजे तक
Correct.
लाइटिंग स्टार्ट हो गया था. इट लुक ब्यूटीफुल.
Right.
सो नाउ शी वाज सेइंग दैट रात को और भी अब प्रेटी लगता है.
Exactly.
दिस इज हर्स.
वीना सागर. Wow, यार.
And she's an artist. She has
You guys have real talent, man. Really. Nubra Valley. Oh.
and
हाँ.
these are her sketches.
Okay.
Yeah, her sketches.
I was wondering whose are these. Nice, Veena
She's the one on
Sagar.
that photo, okay?
Wow.
कंदिल का फोटो देखा? किसी ने देखा कि नहीं? बहुत सारे कंदिल है, कंदिल गली.
साइड मेरा अब तक हुआ नहीं है.
तो शी इज द वन पोजिंग.
Oh God.
You know what? हमारे ग्रुप्स में बहुत इसका फोटो था क्योंकि everybody had clicked on that day when they went to कंदिल गली.
And I had no idea that this happened actually. I had no idea.
I wish I could have shared it.
Yeah, yeah.
But English.
सुंदर आहेत, खूप छान आहेत यार.
मराठी बोलताय.
हो, आम्ही मराठीच आहोत.
मी पण मराठी.
तुम्ही मैं? वाव यार. सही है.
नाही मी शिकलेली नाही आहे.
हाँ.
आय एम बेसिकली बाय प्रोफेशन सायंटिस्ट रिटायर्ड फ्रॉम BARC.
Wow. Okay.
And I started doing this during first lockdown of Corona
हाँ,
2020.
COVID 2020.
So I bought few color pencils, pens, something
हाँ,
like that,
हाँ.
and then ultimately I got this canvas and acrylics.
Wow. You
And
should
I
do
was-
this often.
I am doing,
Yeah?
and
Now?
they are actually, I mean, donated.
Wow.
But first time I am ever exhibiting here, and I am said
Wow.
that they are good. So the theme of this one is Madhubani, tree of life, the life in the water,
Okay.
life on the earth.
Okay.
I mean, you will see that
Right.
separate level is
Right.
there, and then in the sky.
Wow. What a thought.
नाही माझा नाही थिंकिंग
अच्छा.
इट इज ए borrowed. I can't
That
think originally
it is
and
all.
do
No,
some
art
kind
is
of
always influenced. It's okay. You can
I
only
am
take
very
inspiration
openly
from
and
something.
honestly speaking, na, I can't.
But
think of
doing this
myself.
is also so
Yeah, doing,
difficult,
yeah,
na?
yeah. But then I will be composing in my own way.
Correct.
That is all.
Right.
And it is my hand only.
That is what matters.
It is not
yeah.
exactly copied from anywhere and तसं काही केलं नाही.
खूप सुंदर आहेत यार ते. खूप अर्ध्यावरचे टॅग्स गेले आहेत बघ
Actually
ना. We can't
माझी
see.
भाची आहे तिचं आता लग्न आलं. She is moving to US now.
Oh,
I cannot believe na.
you're 72.
Completed 72, now running 73.
Wow,
And I
यार.
started this just 4 years ago.
My God, hats off. Seriously.
okay.
अरे खरंच, this is an inspiration.
We want to be alive. I mean, lively.
Exactly.
You know, that is more important.
Exactly. And doing something post retirement, something that you like, is a big thing now.
I didn't know that I will like it.
Yeah.
That is also a correct thing actually. I started doing and then I started spending time over means hours
Correct,
and hours.
correct,
मी
correct.
just बाजूच्या दुकानातून काय काय सामान
घेऊन
विकत
आला.
आणलं कलर साठी
You
वगैरे.
started.
And I started.
Wow.
गणपती आणि मंडला आणि ते I had not heard what is mandala.
Mandala.
I never knew. Madhubani also, this word also I learned. The heard also first time, you know. That was the kind of thing.
Wow, यार. So, जैसे आपने देखा काफ़ी क्रेजी एक्सपीरियंस था वो आर्टिस्ट को मिलके कि जो फोटोग्राफर्स है हर एक की स्टोरी अलग अलग है यार. आई विश विनायक वॉज हियर सो दैट ही कुड ऑल्सो मीट सम अदर artists, you know, and we also met the oldest artist here, 72 years. और उन्होंने सारा वो हैंड पेंटिंग्स टाइप्स था यार. अमेजिंग. मतलब वी आर नॉट समबडी टू जज आर्ट, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, वी कांट, बट अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. अभी ये शाम को बहुत ज़्यादा लाइवली होता है. कल भी शाम को ये लाइट्स वाइट्स लगने के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा लाइवली था. आई थिंक कल ज़्यादा लेट होने के वजह से अभी काफ़ी स्टॉल्स खुले नहीं हैं. But right now this is all what we have. There's a stage here जहाँ शायद परफॉर्म भी कर रहे होंगे लोग. There's a bar, counter. Then there is this area to sit and chill. मैं शाम तक नहीं रुक सकती. I can't wait till evening. हम लोग निकलने वाले हैं अभी जल्दी ही घर पे. Oh, there is fish. सो इतने कम स्टॉल्स में भी हमें एक स्टॉल दिखा है विच इज़ पाव भाजी. फिश का भी स्टॉल दिखा था लेकिन उनको सेटअप करने को 10 मिनट जाएगा. सो टिल देन वी आर प्लानिंग टू हैव पाव भाजी. कितना टाइम लगेगा भैया? पाव भाजी रेडी है क्या?
रेडी है.
अरे वाह. ओके. सो ये ऐसे कूपन्स लेने पड़ते हैं हियर. हाउ मच वाज इट फॉर मी?
120 for cheese pav.
Okay.
190 for cheese pav bhaji.
Okay. What is that? Total comes to. उडवू नको माझ्यावर. So we're having pav bhaji.
And then that fell.
And then yeah, this fell. This fell.
Not on her.
Yeah, thankfully. पर ऐसे गिर गया वो पीछे. हम लोग का एक शेड जो था वो भी चला गया. नहीं आया, थैंकफुली नहीं आया. This is good. Damn good. आपण फटाफट खावे. तो दूसरी डिश देती लाना. शेड इज मूविंग यार. It has balance. ये मसाला पाव हमने ऑर्डर किया और मैं रिकॉर्ड करना भूल गई और हमने ठूसना चालू किया डायरेक्टली. दिस इज यम, रियली यम. Yeah, because there's no kanda. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This Budwala is again here. Nice. It does smell good.
So good.
Damn good. I'm not that much of a coffee person, but if anybody would love to have, शाम को तो people can have. शाम को कॉफी ले सकते हो यार. No, we're just recording. Yeah. You would like to have?
Sure, that's really sweet.
Yeah, get you in the Christmas spirit. Do a peppermint mocha for you.
Okay. No, we haven't.
So where are you guys based out of?
We're out of Gurgaon,
Okay.
suburbs.
So we're actually in Kharghar.
Okay.
And so yeah, we do a lot of specialty coffee.
Nice.
And all of our staff are actually underprivileged children that basically come from really harsh backgrounds but have made it. Like I have some of my kids that have actually been baristas at the Ambani wedding.
Okay.
And so that's the level they've reached. They're
Wow.
baristas
Okay. You've been into this since how long?
for the last 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah, so
Nice.
I'm also associated with Specialty Coffee.
Okay.
So it's an American-based European international coffee brand.
Okay.
And so basically they train and study under international protocols.
Okay.
And then because I have Yusuf and Mahesh, there are
Hello.
trainers. And,
Okay.
have you heard of Billy Who, the coffee brand?
Yeah.
You have?
so-
I have. I'm sorry, I'm not a coffee person as much.
So Billy Who is basically a luxury coffee brand.
Okay.
So you will see them all over. You'll see them all over. All the Oberois, the
Okay.
Tajes, Akasa Air.
Oh,
So,
okay.
Yusuf manages Billy Who
Okay.
in West India, and then
Wow.
of course comes and trains our kids. Mahesh
Right.
worked with Araku, that's
Okay.
a head barista.
Okay, I know.
Mahesh, so both of them have dedicated their time to training
Okay.
kids. And so yeah, so the coffee.
This is amazing, yeah. You guys are doing such a wonderful job.
So we were very grateful that Jubi and Rashmi were like, why don't you guys set up something?
Yeah. True.
I hope you like your coffee. Give me 30 seconds.
Yes, sure.
I'm just brewing. This is steep and release method. So
Okay.
This is a pour over. It's called the Hario switch, and just using the recipe we use in the National Barista Championship.
Okay.
So you've also been part of the national championship. So in fact, a lot of my team has been. Another kid is not here. One of my students was a top 16 baristas for the championship. Mahesh here is in the top 6 for latte art. So
Oh,
Mahesh will pour milk and make it look like a swan and stuff like that.
okay.
He's super scientific, so he's like tastes.
Into, yeah. Okay, okay. What is this thing called?
So this is called the Hario switch.
Hario
so it's
switch.
basically a pour over, but this has a valve, so you can lock
Okay.
the coffee in.
Okay.
That way you can keep it in contact with the coffee for longer.
Okay.
Now when I release it, you'll see all the coffee filters from
Fair.
the paper.
Okay.
And you'll get a nice shot of that
Yeah.
in 10 seconds.
Okay. Ah.
So there's a paper filter in here which is going to remove all the sediment and the oil. So you
Okay.
get a very clean cup here.
This is cool. Very cool. Yep. अच्छा नहीं आया. Oh my god. अच्छा नहीं आया. Oh my god.
Mahesh's standards apparently.
Wow. It is way better than our standards though. We can at least identify it. Wow. Oh god. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Cute. You can just try that. Yes.
Precision. That is cute. Thank you. Can I take this one?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Love to hear your feedback.
Oh god. This is super hot. She's amazing.
Yeah, you like it?
I do. What was this again? Sorry.
Called a peppermint mocha.
Peppermint mocha. Okay.
Supposed
Nice.
to be like a Christmas hug in a mug kind of.
It is actually very nice. I'm gonna have it now on. Tell me, how is it?
Wow, it's really good.
It is,
I
right?
would have this over Starbucks. I mean it.
Wow.
I mean it.
So if you're coming by, please stop by Vivace. Vivace, right? If I'm pronouncing.
Vivace.
Vivace.
Is it Vivace?
Vivace. So please stop by Vivace stall here. It's near to the entrance from here. It's a nice setup for them. Must setup banaya और उन्होंने they got this coffee for us. This is peppermint mocha. Sorry, I keep on forgetting.
Hey, check. Hey,
Hello.
check.
Nice
One.
collection you have.
One, hey, check. Check. Hey, check. Hello.
For the nails.
Hey.
एंड दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज़ व्लॉग. होप आपको मज़ा आया होगा. काफ़ी डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस था. हम लोग को यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों ने रिकॉग्नाइज़ किया पहली बार. एंड सिंस आई वाज रिकॉर्डिंग, बहुत सारे लोग आके सामने से बात कर रहे थे, एंड फॉर विच आई फेल्ट रियली नाइस. बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. इतना मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. सो नेक्स्ट ईयर इफ़ यू आर अराउंड, प्लीज़ विजिट विवग्योर्स, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय विवग्योर, Colors United Winter Festival, and the organizers have done amazing job. It's a fab job that they've done. मेरा फोटो एग्जीबिशन में देख के भी वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा I hope you've liked this video. Please share this with your friends. I'm gonna post it soon. So please give a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया होगा तो. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.